How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're doing good. Hi guys, long time no see, but here I am after a whole week of doing nothing. But I was not doing nothing, more like I was taking a break. I was too tired. My videos are always the same thing, like I wake up, go to work, come back, cook, eat, do the same thing tomorrow over and over again. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for coming back to watch this new vlog. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. So I just came back from work, and the first thing I did was kill a lizard. I hate lizards. So when nimeingia kwa nyumba, the first thing I've seen is a lizard, and I've run after it and I've killed it. Lizard 0, me 1. So I deep cleaned my house, like completely, turned everything inside out and cleaned every spot, every corner. So this house is sparkling clean. And right now I am so hungry, very hungry. I want to do a haul for you guys, but I want to eat fast because sis is hungry. Sis is so hungry. Let's eat and then tufanye haul. I bought chips and I want to eat this, and then when I'm done I'm going to do a haul for you guys. It's not even so much, I just bought things that I didn't have.
So
just bought myself, I did not buy it today, but I've had it made. I booked it last year, and I paid for it last month. Wakaanza kuitengeneza last month, and right now I have it in my house. Like, I've just placed it where I want it to be. It's so big, and it's made me think of how I want to arrange this house. And it brought tears to my eyes because I am doing this alone. And I'm doing this for myself, by myself. Wow. God is so great. God is really, really, really great. Oh my God. I am buying furniture for myself in my house. Don't mind my clothes. I'm yet to make a wardrobe for my clothes. But right now my kitchen is set and I can definitely use my 2-burner gas cooker. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Though sijashake, but I have cried because wow. Wow, sometimes I just literally blow my own mind.
You said you want, so would you dance for a minute? Take a chance for a minute, we'll live it free. You said you want, would you dance for a minute? Change your plans for a minute, we'll live it free. You said you want, so would you dance for a minute? You take a chance for a minute, we'll live it free. You said you want, would you dance for a minute? Change your plans for a minute, we'll live it free. The dead is bad. wanna break for you, wanna break for you. I know you said you wanna break free, wanna break free. God gave his own, came to its own, call heaven home, listen, angel. Angel, angel. I know you said you wanna break free, wanna break free. God gave his own, came to its own, call heaven home, listen, angel. You said you want, so would you dance for a minute?
Hi guys, can you see me? Can you see me? I am so excited, like, oh my god, it feels so nice that finally I can cook standing and I don't have to worry about vlogging for you guys while I cook, because I love doing that. And I am so excited. I did this for myself. Proud moment. Anyway, I want to go. Nimetamani sana omena, but see omena fulu. If you know fulu, you know fulu. So nimebuy and nimerealize I don't have mboga na ni saa moja. So let me go buy that. And then I want to make banana smoothie. So I need to buy mboga na maziwa. I hope you guys can see me because natumia back camera. I hope you guys can see me and the angles are not weird. If they're weird, please forgive me. I'm yet to buy a tripod. I want to ditch the ring light. I want to use it purposely for lighting. And then I want to buy, what is it called? A tripod. So
một lần nữa em đi bước qua giấc mơ tan, đêm nay trời đông lạnh đến vô cùng, ký ức cũ phai dần nhưng đau lòng còn đây, nhìn mưa rơi bên hiên lệ vương trên đôi mi, giọt nước mắt rơi mất đây rồi, nắng cây trong trái tim làm sao nguôi, giọt nước mắt rơi nụ cười xa xôi, nắng cây trong trái tim chẳng thể quên, trong bóng tối dài chỉ còn mình thôi, đêm nay vắng cạnh mặt trời còn chi.
Đêm buồn đêm vẫn trôi, nỗi đau em cứ giữ mãi trong lòng thôi. Giữa niềm tanh đêm khuya một mình em bước đi, trong căn phòng trống một mình em khóc thầm. Bao điều ký ức xưa giờ còn đâu, anh ra đi mà mãi không quay đầu. Từng tiếng nhạc đau buồn vang lên và lòng em tan nát theo từng giờ.
Giọt nước mắt rơi mất đây rồi, nắng cây trong trái tim làm sao nguôi, giọt nước mắt rơi nụ cười xa xôi, nắng cây trong trái tim chẳng thể quên, trong bóng tối dài chỉ còn mình thôi, đêm nay vắng cạnh mặt trời còn chi. Một lần nữa em đi bước qua giấc mơ tan, đêm nay trời đông lạnh đến vô cùng, ký ức cũ phai dần nhưng đau lòng còn đây, nhìn mưa rơi bên hiên lệ vương trên đôi mi, giọt nước mắt rơi mất đây rồi, nắng cây trong trái tim làm sao nguôi, giọt nước mắt rơi nụ cười xa xôi.
how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're doing good. So today is on Friday and I have not had power since yesterday. Thing is, I think there was power outage in my area on Thursday, and waking up tomorrow, I mean, waking up yesterday morning, there was still power outage, and then when I came back in the evening, there was still power outage, and then power ikarudi, you get. And since nilikuwa nashuku kama mimi sina token ama hakuna stima, so nikabeba my token, that device nikaenda nayo kazi. At least I plug it and see how many units I have, since the device itself has an issue on the screen. I can't see how many units I have left, so I carried it and I made sure that I paid an extra amount and I keyed it in. I entered all the entries just to make sure that when I come back in the evening, it won't be me. Maybe it won't be me. Maybe there's still power outage. So when I came back, there was still power outage, and then power came back. Alafu kitu saa 3 hapo ikaenda. And then I was like, I wanted to cook. That's why I'm cooking right now. I wanted to cook at that time, and I was like, if there's no power, I'm not going to cook because I also wanted to blend those bananas that I bought the other day. So when I woke up to go and shut my door, looking over the window, nikaona my neighbors, they have power. And then I was like, so that means I don't have tokens. But how? Because I paid for tokens in the morning. So I carried my device, nikaenda nayo kwa my neighbor. Tena nikasema, let me just enter it again, let's see what happens. Then doing it again, still no power. So I don't have power even right now. I'm so pissed. I am so pissed because I have things that will spoil if there's no power. But I'm taking a chill pill. I am so chill. What if Mickey crash out? What will happen? Nothing. So right now I have taken a shower and I want to do an OOTD, and then eat breakfast that I am cooking right now, and then leave for work. So this vlog is a bit short or all over the place because look, I have power now. So I have made breakfast. I had to go to my landlord na ameniambia nimwachie hiyo token juu siwezi ona niko na units ngapi, so it's like he wants to change it for me. So happy. Now he's given me amenipe mango. I guess it's mango season, so right now I have to have breakfast, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. Let me show you guys.